going on YouTube? I am in Red Hook by IKEA Park, and the purpose of this video today is going to be to test out 4K settings and down res to 1080p at 60 frames a second. Will the video be sharper? Would it be better quality? Would it be better contrast? And I am also flying the Mavic here behind me. I don't know if you see it, and we'll test out both videos. We'll compare which one is going to be better. Let's see. Let me know what you think is going to be better. Do you think a 4K footage is going to be better, or 4K down res to 1080p? Let me know, guys.
I've been staring at the sea, 'cause all of the waves, they keep chasing after me. Even though we are out of reach, I can feel the water on my feet. The things that you said to me, they will grow inside the make-believe. I am still dancing on the feelings that you gave me. I am still dancing on the feelings that you give me.
So I'm stuck in this amazing traffic, and I didn't end the video while I was in Red Hook by IKEA. So I figured let me conclude this video here in the car. Thank you for watching. Please hit the like, please hit the subscribe, share if you like it, and I'll catch you on my next video. Thank you for watching. Peace.